From the popular K series by Lenovo comes the new Lenovo K8 Note. The phone has a premium metal body with curved corners for a comfortable fit in your palm and a nano coating to protect from splashes and spills. The phone comes in two color variants, Venom Black and Fine Gold, and is available in two memory variants, 3 plus 32 GB and 4 plus 64 GB with internal storage expandable up to 128 GB. It has a 5.5-inch Full HD Gorilla Glass protected display and a fingerprint sensor that unlocks your phone in 0.3 seconds. It runs a 4000 mAh battery with a 15-watt fast charger, giving great battery life. The 13 plus 5 megapixel dual camera captures great clarity and depth in images and has special features like bokeh mode and selective selection of black and white in captured images. The 13 megapixel front camera ensures great selfies even in low light conditions with its party flash. Powered by a 10-core processor, K8 Note runs the Android 7.1.1 Nougat with Google Assistant, delivering great performance and seamless running of multiple apps and games. Immerse in a cinema-like experience with Theater Max feature by adding a VR headset. Enjoy the Dolby Atmos sound from the built-in speaker or your headphones for rich, powerful sound. It has a dedicated music key which allows complete control over multimedia and can also be programmed to launch any app of your choice. The phone is made available through various EMI options and payment through your debit or credit card.